Okay, so now
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Say, I couldn't see what are you write on the board, sir.
I'm not able to say what have written. Okay.
I mean, sir, आप जो लिख रहे हैं वो मुझे काफी दूर दिख नहीं रहा है.
You're not able to see this.
Yes, sir. I am not able to see it.
Everybody is not able to see, or only she is not able to see?
Sir, I also can't able to see this.
You're also not able to see this. What is written?
So spelling is not clear.
Okay, it's okay. Has been, have been. You feel it. Has been and have been plus verb की ing form we are using, and उसके साथ में since for टाइमिंग का यूज करते हैं. Since for, जैसे हमने बोला कि मैं खटीमा में रह रहा हूँ पिछले उत्तराखंड में 20 साल से, तो हम बोल रहे हैं कि I have been living in Uttarakhand for 20 years. I have been living in Uttarakhand for 20 years. Okay, I have been living in Uttarakhand since 2001. हम 2001 से खटीमा में रह रहे हैं, तो I have been living in Uttarakhand since 2001. मैं 5 बजे से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I have been teaching since 5 o'clock. आप 5 बजे से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं, आप 5 बजे से क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो you have been attending the classes of learning speaking English since 5 o'clock. It means आप 40 मिनट से क्लास ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, तो you have been learning English for 40 minutes. So you have been learning English for 40 minutes. You have been, okay, so she has been. तो हम पिछले 1 महीने से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं Zoom ऐप पर. तो we have been learning English on Zoom app for 1 month. We have been learning English on the Zoom app for 1 month. So we have been learning English. Okay, इसका मतलब आप for 1 month. Okay, तो आप कह सकते हैं कि since कौन सी तारीख से, आप तारीख बता, डेट बताइए. डेट आपको यदि याद है तो आप डेट बोल के तो since लगा के बोलेंगे डेट को. Okay, since 5th of the June, since 17th of the June. तो I have been learning English since 17th of the May. तो since 17th of May, तो 17 मई से हमने क्लास ज्वाइन कर रखी है. तो we have been learning English, हम इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं Zoom ऐप पर. We have been learning English on the Zoom app since 15th of the May. तो 15 मई से हम जो है सीख रहे हैं इंग्लिश बोलना Zoom ऐप पर. बट यदि आप कह सकते हैं कि आपको डेट पर्टिकुलर याद नहीं है, लेकिन अंदाजे से बोलने के 1 महीना हो गया लगभग, तो आई हैव बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश फॉर 1 मंथ अराउंड. फॉर 1 मंथ अराउंड.
Can I speak?
Yeah.
I have been living in Noida after marriage 20 years.
I have been, after marriage की जरूरत नहीं है. यदि आप बताना चाह रहे हो कि मैं इतने साल से रह रही हूँ, तो you have been, तो you have to say कि I have been living in Noida for more than 20 years. 20 सालों से ज्यादा हो गया. मतलब आप एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग आप नहीं बता रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको इतना कंफर्म है कि 20 साल से ज्यादा साल हो गए हैं नोएडा में रहते हुए. तो you have to say कि I have been living in the Noida for more than 20 years. I have been living in the Khatima, I have been living in the Noida for more than 20 years. और यदि आप मैरिज का नाम लेना चाहते हो कि जब से मेरी शादी हुई है तब से मैं नोएडा में रह रही हूँ, you have to say like this. So I have been living in the Noida since I got married. आप पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूं आपको, सिंस का जो यूज पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन के लिए. जब से वह आई है वह हंस रही है, जब से वह आई है तब से वह हंस रही है. तो शी हैज बीन लाफिंग सिंस शी केम हियर. तो सिंस के बाद हम सेकंड फॉर्म लगा के बात कर रहे हैं. जब से वह स्कूल से आई है बात नहीं कर रही है. Okay. So she has not been talking with me since she came from the school. She hasn't been talking with me. She hasn't been talking with me since she came from the school. जब से हमने ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन करी है तब से हम इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. We have been speaking English since we joined the helpline. जब से आया है मुझसे लड़ रहे हैं, जब से आए हैं मुझसे लड़ रहे हैं, तो he has been fighting with me, he has been fighting with me since he came here. जब से ये ट्यूशन से आई है तब से रो रही है. So she has been crying since she came from the school, since she came from the tuition. Okay?
All right, sir.
All right. So this is the use of since, very simply. You all will try to speak about that, or since or for, the exact use of since and for the meaning, but you have to convert, you have to do the practice about this. Okay?
सर जब से आई है तब से रो रही, she has been crying.
Since she came. Since she came. जब से आई है. Since she came. Okay? मैंने उसको जब से देखा है तब से वह जो है हंस रहा है. तो he has been laughing since I saw him. He has been laughing since I saw him. Okay? So like this, so many type of sentences can be used. You all will try to speak with me like this. He has been laughing at me since he came. जब से शादी हुई है किचन में खाना ही बना रही हूँ. Okay, very good.
Sir, I have been doing household work when I got married.
Since I got married.
Since I got married, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So like this. So whatever you can say so many times. कि जब से वह स्कूल से आई है तब से बीमार पड़ी है. जब से स्कूल से आई है तब से वह बुखार उसको तब से उसको बुखार हो रहा है. So she has been suffering from the fever since she came from the school. All right. But in other sense we have to say कि हम बचपन से हम बचपन से इस मकान में रह रहे हैं. तो we have been living in this house since our childhood. Okay. जब से इसने खाना खाया है तब से इसकी तबीयत खराब चल रही है. तो he has not been feeling good. He hasn't been feeling good. He hasn't been. You have to know. You have to understand this point actually. He hasn't been feeling good. उसकी तबीयत सही नहीं चल रही है. वो तबीयत अच्छी फील नहीं कर रहा. He hasn't been feeling good. Everybody will try to speak like this. He hasn't been feeling good. He hasn't been speaking. She hasn't been speaking Hindi since she joined the helpline. जब से उसने helpline join किया है तब से वो हिंदी नहीं बोल रही है. So she hasn't been speaking Hindi since she joined the helpline. जब से वो
since she joined the helpline.
Yeah, she hasn't been speaking Hindi. She hasn't been speaking Hindi. Okay. Okay. जब से वह आया है मुझसे एक ही बात पूछा जा रहा है. जब से आया है एक ही बात पूछी जा रहा है. तो he has been asking me only one question since he came. He has been asking me only one question since he came. जब से, okay, like this. वह 1 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर रही है. She has been studying for 1 hour. Okay. So we have to speak so many type of sentences. अब मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ इसी चीज के अंदर कि have you been?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Clear your doubt.
Sir, you told a sentence right now. She has been studying for 1 hour. So instead of for, we can't use since.
In place of for. No.
Yes.
Okay. No. You have to countable time. जब countable time होता है for 1 hour. For 1 hour, 1 आवर में आप ये तो कह सकते हैं कि 4:50 से, तो सिंस 4:50 या सिंस 4:50 आई हैव बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश, ओके। बट इफ यू से कि 1 घंटे से, तो फॉर 1 आवर, ओके। टाइमिंग बताएंगे कौन सा वाला, जो क्लॉक वाला टाइमिंग है वो फिक्स टाइम हो गया, एक तरीके से सिचुएशनल टाइम हो गया। वो क्या बता रहा है, जो विजिबिलिटी है कि हम इतने बजे से पढ़ रहे हैं, हम इतने बजे से पढ़ रहे हैं, तो सिंस इतने बजे, सिंस इतने बजे, सिंस इतने बजे, ओके। सिंस दिस डे, आई मीन मंडे, ट्यूसडे, सिंस दिस डेट, सिंस दिस डेट, सिंस दिस डेट, ओके। तो जो भी सिचुएशनल है। बट यदि आप कह रहे हैं कि काउंटेबल टाइम के लिए कि फॉर 1 आवर, फॉर 1 वीक, फॉर 1.5 an hour, 1.5 घंटा, फॉर 1.5 an hour, ओके। 1 घंटे से किचन में वो खाना बना रही है, इस पे खाना नहीं बन पा रहा है, तो शी हैज बीन प्रिपेयरिंग द फूड फॉर 1 hour। 1 घंटे से कोशिश कर रहा है वो एप्लीकेशन लिखने की, लेकिन एप्लीकेशन नहीं लिख पा रहा है वो। ही हैज बीन trying to write an application for 1 hour, but he is failing. He has been trying to. He has been trying to write an application, but he is failing. He has been trying to write an application for 1 hour. Okay. मैं उसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं 1 घंटे से। I have been trying to make him understand. Okay, now we have to come forward the next things. So have you been living in Uttarakhand for 20 years? No, I haven't been living in Uttarakhand for 20 years. I haven't been living in the Uttarakhand for 20 years. तो फिर कब से रह रहे हो उत्तराखंड में? आप ऐसा पूछना चाहते हो कि तुम उत्तराखंड में कब से रह रहे हो, तुम कब से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हो, आप कब से मेरा वेट कर रहे हो, ओके। आप कब से जॉब कर रहे हो, आप कब से इस स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हो। हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन टीचिंग इन दिस स्कूल? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन? How long have you been? ING form. Teaching. I hope you may be understanding what actually I have
Sir.
typed.
सर तुम उत्तराखंड में कब से रह रहे हो? इसको इस प्लीज सर इन हिंदी, सॉरी इंग्लिश।
How long have you been living? How long have you been? बिन बोलते हैं, बीन नहीं बोलेंगे, बीन, BEEN, बट शॉर्ट में हम बिन बोलते हैं। हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन लिविंग इन उत्तराखंड? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन लिविंग इन नोएडा? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन लिविंग इन हल्द्वानी? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन, ओके, हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन वर्किंग? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बिन वर्किंग इन दिस डिपार्टमेंट? आप इस डिपार्टमेंट में कब से जॉब कर रहे हो? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन वर्किंग इन दिस डिपार्टमेंट? कब से वर्क कर रहे हो, कब से जॉब? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन डूइंग दिस जॉब इन दिस डिपार्टमेंट?
Sir, if I'll say my husband has been working on laptop since 10 o'clock.
Yeah, my husband has been working on the laptop since 10 o'clock. वह कब से लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहे हैं? How long has your husband been working on the laptop today? How long has he been working? How long has your husband been working in this department? How long has your husband been working in the police department? Shalini?
सर
Okay, I think you are in moving position. How long has your husband been working in this department? आप वो कब से इस बिजनेस को डील कर रहे हैं? How long has he been dealing, या how long has he been running this business? वह इस बिजनेस को कब से कर रहे हैं? How long has he been running this business? वह कब से जॉब कर रहे हैं? How long has he been, you know?
He has been doing for 10 years.
He has been
Sir,
working.
is this question correct? How long has your daughter been studying?
Yeah. Your daughter. He की जगह या she की जगह. Your daughter, your mother, your husband, like such type of sentences can be used. Word can be used with this. How long has your husband been? How long has your daughter been? How long has your daughter been? How long has your sister been living in Delhi? तुम्हारी सिस्टर कब से दिल्ली में रह रही है? How long has your sister been living in Delhi? कब से आपका भाई इस डिपार्टमेंट में काम कर रहा है? How long has your brother been working in this department? बोलने की आदत डालनी है.
Sir, my sir,
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. What question asked me? Sir, what questions asked you to me?
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
some air sound is coming so much.
Okay. So how long has your husband been working in this police department?
Sir, my sir is teaching us since 1 hour.
Okay. How
My
long?
sir has been teaching us since 1 hour.
Yeah, my husband has been teaching for 1 hour. My sir has been.
My sir has been teaching us since 1 hour.
For 1 hour. My husband has been teaching. My sir has been teaching. My sir has been teaching for 1 hour. My sir has been teaching for 1 hour. Okay. My sister has been learning. My brother has been learning. Okay. I have been teaching. She has been learning. Okay.
So sir, here since will not come.
Depends on no. It all in the asking the questioning. If you are raising the question, no need to use since or for. That will be depend on the replier. जो जवाब देगा वो बताएगा, वो सोचेगा इस बारे में कि वो कि वह इतने दिनों से काम कर रहा है, वह इतने दिनों से ये काम नहीं कर रहा है. तो you have to say like this कि आप तो सिंपली पूछ रहे हैं कि वो आप कब से पढ़ रहे हो. How long have you been learning English? आप कब से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हो? आप कब से
I have been learning English since 1 month.
For 1 month. I have been learning English for 1 month. अब आपको देखो since याद आ रहा है बार बार. अब आपको करना क्या है इसके अंदर? आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. I have been learning English for 1 month. I have been learning English for 1 month. I have been learning English for 1 hour. I have been learning English for 1 month. बार बार प्रैक्टिस में डालेंगे तो that it will come automatically out or it will set on your tongue actually. आप
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, this is correct. He has been running the business since 21 years.
No, for 21 years.
For 20.
Yeah.
Sir, I have been learning English since May. Month of May.
Since the month of May. Yeah, it is right. So I have been learning English since the month of May. Okay, since month of May.
Sir, my husband working in police department for 15 years.
Yes, okay, that's very nice. So my husband has been working, her husband has been working in the police department for 15 years. Her husband has been working in the police department for 15 years. Okay. So how long have you been? How long have you been living in Delhi? How long have you been living in America? How long has you been living in Khatima, Uttarakhand? Whatever you have to say like this. Okay. So how long has he been living? How long has she been doing this job in this department? So you all will try to speak. You have to confirm. You have to talk more and more time with your partners and friends. All right. How long have you been? How long has she been? How long has he been? It is being used of a lot of time. कि तुम कब से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हो, तुम कब से जॉब कर रहे हो, तुम कब से पढ़ रहे हो, वह कब से तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. How long has he been waiting for you? How long has she been learning? आपकी डॉटर कब से इस स्कूल में पढ़ रही है? How long has your daughter been studying in this school? My daughter.
Please repeat.
How long has your daughter been studying in this school? आपकी डॉटर इस स्कूल में कब से पढ़ रही है? You have to say, how long has your daughter been studying in this school? Speak everyone.
Sir, how long has we meet?
Yeah.
How long has we meet?
No. I will tell you. I will tell you the meaning of
Sir,
this. I will.
sir, my sentence is हम लोग कब से मिले नहीं है.
Okay. How long is it since? इसका भी हम आगे चल के बताएंगे. How long is it? How long is it बोलेंगे simple. How long is it? How long is it since we did not meet? या how long is it since we met? कितने दिन से मिले हैं? कितने दिन हो गए मिले हुए? हमें कितने दिन मिले हुए हो गए हैं? How long is it since we met? आपको अपने मामा के घर गए हुए कितने दिन हो गए हैं? कितना टाइम हो गया है? कितना ड्यूरेशन हो गया है? How long is it since you went to your मामाजी's house? तुम्हें होटल में खाना खाए हुए कितने दिन हो गए हैं? How long is it since you took the food in the hotel? एरोप्लेन में सफर किए हुए कितने दिन हो गए हैं? How long is it since you traveled in the aeroplane? Okay. तुम्हें मूंग की
So
दाल.
I have been, sir, I have been watered the plant for 2 days.
Yeah.
It's correct, sir. I have been watered the plant for 2 days.
No.
I have been watering the plant, I think.
No. Actually, 2 दिन हो गए हैं प्लांट लगाए हुए. It is 2 days since I planted. It is 2
नहीं,
days
watering
since. यदि आप 2 दिन से प्लांट लगातार लगा रहे हो, I
No,
mean,
sir, पानी दे रहे हैं. I mean, पानी
yeah,
पानी दे रहे हैं.
yeah, that's okay. So how long have you been watering the plants? How long have you been watering the plants? I have been watering the plants for 2 days. मैं 2 दिन से इस पौधे को पानी दे रही हूं. I have been watering this plant for 2 days. I have been watering this plants for 2 days. तुम कब से इस पौधे को पानी दे रहे हो? How long have you been watering these plants? वह तुझे कब से परेशान कर रहा है? ये बता तेरे को वह कब से परेशान कर रहा है? How long has he been troubling you?
Sir, no, sir.
I'm not getting. You have been muted actually, I think. Okay.
Sir, Prisha is waiting in the room.
Oh,
We just-
is waiting. Okay. I could not. How long has he been troubling you? वह तुम्हें कब से परेशान कर रहा है? How long has he been troubling you? वह तुम्हें कब से परेशान कर रहा है? How long has he been troubling you? वह तुम्हें कब से परेशान, वह तुम्हें कब से सता रहा है? How long has he been teasing you? वह तुम्हें कब से रुला रहा है? How long has he been making you cry? वह तो कब से तुम्हारा रास्ता रोक रहा है? How long has he been stopping your way? वह तुम्हें कब से घूर रहा है? How long has he been staring at you? वह तुमसे कब से बात नहीं कर रहा है? How long has he not been talking with you?
Repeat it, sir, repeat it.
How long has he not been talking with you?
सर सब कब से घूर रहा है?
So you are muted.
Yes, I have been muted. I've been busy with something.
Sir,
So-
how long has you been? How long has you been penning?
How long have you been? How
Have you
long-
been penning?
Paining means paining क्या word होता है?
Means तुम्हें कब से दर्द हो रहा है?
Okay, how long have you been suffering from this pain? Actually, paining is not a particular right way to speak. Like बच्चे बोलते हैं, sir, I have, she is paining, he is paining. It's not a very right way to say. Actually, कि वो suffering कर रहा है, जूझ रहा है उस दर्द से. तो she has been suffering from this pain. Okay, I have been suffering from this pain. How long have you been suffering this pain? Doctor is asking from you कि इस तुम्हें कब से दर्द हो रहा है यहाँ पर. How long have you been suffering this pain from, how long have you been suffering this pain? तो ये दर्द तुम्हें कब से हो रहा है? How long have you been suffering this pain?
Sir, is it right? How long have you been getting pain?
Yeah, you can say like this. How long have you been getting this pain? It is also correct.
Okay.
How long have you been getting this pain? How long have you been suffering this pain? But how long have you been paining? पेन एक तरीके से पेन मींस पेन दर्द देना वाली बात हो जाती है. तो पेन मींस दर्द देना, दर्द देने की बात नहीं है यहाँ पर. ओके, बट वी हैव टू से हाउ लॉन्ग हैज ही बीन. ओके, तो वह कब से ट्यूशन जा रही है? हाउ लॉन्ग हैज शी बीन गोइंग टू द ट्यूशन. आपका बच्चा कब से स्कूल नहीं गया है? हाउ लॉन्ग इज इट सिंस योर चाइल्ड वेंट टू स्कूल. जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है, मेरा बच्चा स्कूल नहीं गया. My child did not go to the school since, yeah, we can say it is lockdown since. Okay, yeah, जब से लॉकडाउन लगा है, he hasn't been going to the school since lockdown was there. Yeah, since there was lockdown.
So
Okay.
how long is it?
Since your
How
child
long
went
is
to the
it?
school.
Answer is simple, but asking the question is very tough.
Asking the question, it will be very easy by speaking continuously. It will be very easy. You have to make it easy. How long is it? आप लिख सकते हैं कॉपी पर, you notebook पर. So how long is it? Many of the time it is being used. अभी मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं करना चाह रहा था इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस के लिए. मैं अभी इस टाइप के सेंटेंस आपको करवा रहा था. How long is it?
Sir, is this sentence correct? My sister is troubling me since 1 hour.
Yeah, my sister has been troubling me for 1 hour. My sister has been troubling me for 1 hour. एक घंटे से मेरी सिस्टर मेरे को परेशान कर रही है. My sister has been troubling me for 1 hour.
सर अगर वो अभी भी परेशान कर रही है, लाइक हैज बीन ट्रबलिंग, मतलब वो अभी तक करती आ रही है और अभी कर रही है, तो उसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
वह अब भी परेशान कर रही है. She is still troubling me.
She's troubling me.
She is still troubling me.
She's still troubling
मैं
me.
तो अभी भी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहा हूँ. I am still learning English.
I'm still learning English.
Okay. वह अभी भी मेडिसिन ले रहा है. He is still taking medicine.
Taking medicine.
He is still taking medicine.
He's still.
मैं तो आज भी उसका वेट कर रहा हूं. I am still waiting for him, for his reply, for his answer. All right. So how long has it been? How long have it been? Should be used a lot of time in your conversation. You have to speak more and more time with your partners and friends. How long have you been dancing? You have to simply, जब इंटरव्यू होता है, पूछते हैं कि आप इस कंपनी में कब से जॉब कर रहे हैं. How long have you been working in this company? How long have you been doing this job in this department? Okay. How long has your father been working? तुम कब से खड़ीमा में रह रहे हो? How long? वह तुम्हें कब से परेशान कर रहा है? वह कब से खाना बना रही है किचन में, बताओ. तो how long has she been preparing the food in the kitchen? Okay, so you will be using continuously and you will have to do the practice. These are the only 3 reasons to make yourself confident while speaking. You all will try to speak continuously. Anything else related you may ask from me, but here simply be using. Okay, मैं कई वर्षों से अपने मामा के यहाँ नहीं जा रहा हूं. तो I haven't been going to my granny's home for many years. वह मुझसे कई दिनों से बात नहीं कर रहा है. He hasn't been talking with me for a long time.
Hasn't talking with me for a long time.
Okay.
He hasn't talking with me
He hasn't
for a
been
long
talking.
time.
He hasn't been talking
He
with me
hasn't been talking with me for a long time.
for a long time. मतलब आप टाइम नहीं बताना चाहते हो फिक्स, आप कहना चाहते हो कई वर्षों से, काफी समय से हम काफी समय से जो है आजकल हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैवंट बीन टॉकिंग विद ईच अदर फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम। मैं काफी दिनों से मोबाइल नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ। आई हैवंट बीन यूजिंग माय मोबाइल फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम। मैं कई दिनों से
Sir, today I got vaccinated, so I have been getting pain.
Still I have been getting pain, so you must have relief. You must have a nap.
Sir, is it right now?
Yeah, it's right. It's right.
I have got vaccinated.
I have been vaccinated.
I have been vaccinated. Yeah.
I've got vaccination. Yeah. So now we have to say so many type of sentences related with this, all the things. So now I have been, how long have you been? So you will be practicing and asking from your family members, and always I say and suggest you to use it. And one day Sazia ma'am has sent a kind of video, by covering all type of sentences. She used many type of sentences. Earlier was she used ki, are you in the habit of writing application? Are you in the habit of getting up in the morning? Do you know how to prepare the food? अपने तरफ से आप थोड़ा सा इसको रिपीट में लाइए, कन्वर्सेशन में लाइए, बोलने में लाइए। जितना भी हमने करा दिया है इसको एज इट इज नहीं छोड़ना है। यू हैव टू मिक्स अप एंड प्रैक्टिस इनटू योर कन्वर्सेशन लाइक दिस। तो जैसे मैंने प्रैक्टिस कराता हूँ, जैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने एक वीडियो अभी आपके सामने बना के दिखा रहा हूँ कि आप वीडियो कैसे बना रहे हैं। कि आई हैव बीन सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा एंड जस्ट नाउ स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग, been talking with you. Do you know how to prepare the food? I don't know how to prepare the food. He knows very well how to prepare the food. Do you want to prepare the food? I don't want to prepare the food. You should prepare the food. You should spare the time for preparing the food. I have got no time. So how can I prepare the food? Do you find it any difficulties to spare the time? Yes, I find it difficulties to spare the time. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन आप आराम से थोड़ा सोच के बोल सकते हैं। माइंड सेट कर लीजिए कि मुझे बोलना क्या है, उस हिसाब से बोलने में लाइए। So are you in the habit of making excuses? I'm not in the habit of making excuses. She's in the habit of making excuses. How long has she been making excuses? She has been making excuses for a long time. Do you know how to dance? I know very well, but I feel shy. She is perfect at dancing. He is good at dancing, but he doesn't used to dance in front of anybody. Have you got any tension? Yes, I have got a tension. What type of tension have you got? Okay. I have to finish my homework. I find it difficult to speak English. Whenever I speak English, I get stuck. I feel shy. Do you ever try to speak English with your partners? Sometimes I speak English with my partners. Okay. So like such type of, you can mix up so many type of sentences here, like, is there any problem? कोई problem है क्या? There is no problem. There is only one problem. What is the problem? Okay. So if I want to go to his marriage party, so won't there be marriage? If he won't come in my marriage, if he won't come in my party, so won't there be party? That's why I don't bother about anything. Okay. मुझ पे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not make any difference. Okay. So like this, enough to all of you. So we'll see you tomorrow with the different things, but you need the practice. I am trying to cover up this, and on Monday, tomorrow I will try to give you a topic to speak about any points. In very short, you all will try to speak, on the stage one by one, if it could be possible. If I just give you the topic about during lockdown, during lockdown, आप सब के सब अपने कोई एक प्रिपेयर नोट्स बनाने दीजिए। अब कुछ एक नोट्स बनाइए, उसको आप प्रिपेयर करना है, उसको बोल के दिखाना है कि लॉकडाउन के अंदर ऑनलाइन स्टडी जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं, how much it is useful, how much it is useful, okay, as compared to the study, okay, offline, okay, how much is the useful, okay, to study online as compared to the study offline. Clear?
Can you send this on the group?
Yeah, I'll send this topic in the group, and you all will try to speak about this matter. You have to put your views about these points. All right. No matter कि आप
Yes.
कितने mistakes कर रहे हैं, no matter आप सब बस कोशिश करेंगे बोलने की, आप अपनी तरफ से कुछ points रख लीजिए, लिख लीजिए, but जब आप बहस होगी तो आप अपने अपने points रखेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ बोलेंगे, और जिसको जो अनम्यूट होगा, I will tell the rules and regulation that time when we will start discussing on this topic, maybe on this coming Monday or Tuesday, whenever, not particular, but you have to prepare yourself, because tomorrow I will take your classes continue with the new and new vocabs, with the new and new phrases, and with the new energy. Okay, so it's enough today, all of you. Sufficient for today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's okay.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
It's okay. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
See you.
Thank
Goodbye.
Nice to meet you.